What causes problems linking external apps to mobile banking? Imagine trying to connect your favorite fitness tracker or budgeting app to your bank account, but something just isn't working right. Frustrating, isn't it? Well, there are a few common reasons why linking external apps to your mobile banking can run into trouble. Let's break it down so you can understand what might be going on. First, one of the most common issues is incorrect or changed login credentials. If you recently updated your username or password at your bank but didn't update it in the external app, the connection won't work. Sometimes, people relying on autofill or password managers to save their login details, but these can fill in outdated or incorrect information, causing errors. Banks often prefer users to manually enter credentials to avoid these mistakes, but that can be tricky if you forget your login details or have multiple accounts. Next, security protocols play a big role. Many banks requiring multi-factor authentication to keep your account safe. This means you might need to enter a code sent to your email or phone. If your contact info is outdated or not synced between your bank and the app, the process can fail. Also, some banks need you to enable specific settings for third-party apps to access your account. If you haven't done this, linking can be blocked. Technical issues are another common cause. Sometimes the bank's servers are down for maintenance or experiencing glitches. System upgrades or updates can temporarily disrupt data sharing. Compatibility problems can also occur if your device's operating system is outdated or incompatible with the app. For example, older versions of Android or iPhone software might not support the latest security features needed for secure connections. Security concerns are always a priority for banks. External apps might not meet the same security standards, raising worries about data breaches or malware. Because mobile devices are more vulnerable than computers, banks are cautious about granting access to third-party apps. They may restrict or monitor app permissions to protect your information, which can sometimes prevent successful linking. User experience issues can also cause problems. If either the bank's app or the external app has confusing instructions, bugs, or slow performance, it can interrupt the linking process. Sometimes, app crashes or errors pop up just when you're trying to connect, making the process frustrating. To avoid these issues, it's helpful to keep your contact info updated, use strong and consistent login details, and follow the bank's instructions carefully. Make sure your device's software is current and that you've enabled all necessary permissions for third-party access. Banks work hard to keep their systems stable and secure, so if you experience problems, reaching out to customer support can often resolve the issue quickly. In the end, linking external apps to your mobile banking account involves many moving parts. Credential accuracy, security settings, technical compatibility, and user interface all play a role. Staying informed and following best practices can make the process smoother and more secure.